Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet bottle cover. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and outstanding videos. Crocheting bottle cover can provide several benefits, both practical and creative. Here are some potential advantages we would like to discuss with you. The first and the main one is protects bottle. A crochet bottle cover can protect your bottle from scratches, dents, or breaks, especially if they are glass. Adds a personal touch. You can make a bottle cover uniquely yours with different color patterns and designs, adding a personal flair. Improves grip. The texture nature of crochet makes the bottle easier to grip, especially if it's a smooth glass or plastic bottle. Prevent conditional marks. For cold beverage, a crochet cover helps absorb moisture and prevents condensation from forming on your bottle, keeping surfaces dry. Eco-friendly. By crocheting your own bottle cover, you reduce the need for single-use plastic sleeves and wraps, contributing the environmental conservation. Gift worthy. Handmade crochet bottle covers make thoughtful personal gifts for friends and family. Functional decoration. It can serve as both a decorative item and a functional one, dressing a plain bottle while serving a practical purpose. Stress relief. The process of crocheting itself can be a relaxing and therapeutic activity, reducing stress and promoting mindfulness. Customization for different bottle sizes. You can easily adjust the size of your bottle cover to fit various bottle types such as water bottle, wine bottle, or baby bottle. Thank you very much for watching our videos. So keep in touch with our channel. Bye bye.